Hi. Topic of this article: College Essay Help, Parts of a College Essay. Published on the www.essayedge.com website. Editing and proofreading service for applications for admissions to college and graduate school. We give $25 with the promo code Best Editing. So, let's move on to maintenance. When it comes to essay writing, one essential part of a successful end result is focusing on the parts of an essay. Most essays have three parts: the introduction, the body, and the conclusion. This general guide will help you write clear, concise, and informative essays that convey your message to the reader. The three parts of an essay. The introduction. This part of an essay is the first presentation of your ideas. There are a number of elements you want to include in your introduction to encourage the reader to continue reading. First of all, you'll need a hook to open your essay. This hook should entice the reader by hinting at the essay's theme in a way that makes the reader want to read more. The hook can be funny, witty, or a simple hypothesis. Whatever style you choose, be sure it coincides with the overall theme of your essay. Here are some other things you want to accomplish in your introduction. Beyond the hook, you will want a successful thesis statement that you work into your introduction to establish your main idea, which will run throughout the essay. You want to use focused writing with a consistent tone and diction throughout the essay. You want to use any details that will help the reader identify the topic and the scope of the essay. But most of all, don't forget that hook. When you have a good hook in your introduction, you increase the chances that your essay will be effective. For some essay projects, evaluating the audience is important, but for others, it's best to follow the general writing strategies you see in mainstream writing, periodicals, and professional literature. The body. In the body of your essay, you should develop the ideas that you presented in the introduction. Some people refer to this as fleshing out your ideas. It can be helpful to make a list of the ideas you want to present, along with any research to support those ideas. The body of your essay elaborates on points made in the introduction, provides background and details on topics mentioned, gives your essay substance, using anecdotes, metaphor, symbolism, and other methods. The conclusion. When you're nearing the end of your essay, it's time to put the finishing touches on it with a separate closing paragraph. The conclusion is where you bring together all of the elements you previously mentioned in the other sections. No, you don't have to mention each one explicitly, but your conclusion should cover most of what you addressed in your essay, and make a good clean end to your narrative path. In a dramatic and powerful conclusion is where you want to spell out, in a bold manner, any ideas you've been hinting at throughout the essay. Just the right word. In addition to the construction of your essay, you also can improve it by looking at your word choices and transitions, or using the best words to move from one idea to the next in making your essay more readable. Varying your word choices keeps your copy fresh and holds the reader's attention. Above all, look for words or phrases that can be cut out of your essay to leave just the very best of what you have to say. End of article. Remember the promo code and get help with editing and proofreading documents with essayedge.com. Bye.